I'm here with Karl, the head of publishing at MTDCNC. Now, Karl, in this day and age, why are you printing a magazine?
Well, Lyndsey, we honestly believe there's a gap in the marketplace for a proper technical production engineering magazine with the right frequency.
So what content is going to be in the magazine?
Probably pretty obvious: machining, measurement, cutting tools, tooling, work holding, additive manufacturing, sheet metal working, software, and then we will sort of look at the sectors: aerospace, automotive, oil and gas, and medical.
Okay, so the question on everybody's lips is, what's unique?
Not only the look and feel of the magazine, for sure it's going to be different in that respect, but the content. You're going to put stuff in this publication that you're not going to read in other magazines. And one of the questions I'm frequently asked is, well, who's the editor? Well, we've got 5 editors. We've got guys out every day of the week generating content, and that is amazing, to be honest with you. Off the back of that, we are able to come off camera and create some real good technical features.
Okay, so what's new? How is this magazine modern?
Some might say it's old technology, the QR code. But you know, it hasn't been used in a printed magazine, not within production engineering. I've not seen it with all my experience. But what's great about it is we're taking the reader from the editorial to the video. And not only that, on an advertisement, it's just made print advertising measurable.
True. And what's the circulation?
14,000 printed. And then what we will do is we'll push it to the MTD community. I mean, that's just short of 500,000. And that'll be via email, social media, not forgetting the YouTube channel. So the digital edition will have a massive presence.
And so when's the next issue coming out?
September this year, excitingly, brand new. And then in 2019, we'll go 6 issues, starting in January, bi-monthly.
You've excited me, Karl.
Good.